and analyzing website traffic. Creating a brand identity from scratch is a multi-step process that requires careful planning and execution. It's essential to understand your target audience, conduct market research, develop a brand vision and mission, create brand messaging, and develop a visual identity. Using a brand style guide ensures consistency, and testing your brand identity helps you make necessary adjustments. A successful brand identity effectively communicates your company's values, personality, and image to your target audience and creates a lasting impression in their minds. 8. Maintain and evolve your brand identity. Creating a brand identity is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. As your company evolves and grows, your brand identity should too. You may need to update your messaging, refresh your visu identity, or even rebrand entirely. Keep in mind that your brand identity should always align with your company's values and goals. Maintaining consistency in your brand's visual identity and messaging is crucial for building brand recognition and loyalty. 9. Stay consistent across all platforms. Ensuring consistency across all platforms is a vital part of maintaining a strong brand identity. Your brand messaging, logo, and visual identity should be consistent across all marketing materials, including your website, social media profiles, and print materials. This consistency creates a cohesive brand image that customers can easily recognize and trust. Consistency also helps establish you. Our brand is a reliable and credible business. 10. Adapt to changes. The business world is constantly changing, and it's essential to adapt your brand identity to these changes. This may include changes in your industry, changes in consumer behavior, or even changes in global events. It's important to stay up to date with these changes and adapt your brand identity accordingly. Failing to do so can lead to your brand becoming irrelevant or outdated. 11. Be authentic. In a world where consumers demand transparency and authenticity, it's essential to be true to your brand's values and mission. Authenticity builds trust with your customers and helps create an emotional connection to your brand. It's important to stay true to who you are as a company, even if that means taking a risk or going against the status quo. Authenticity is a powerful characteristic that sets your brand apart and can make a significant impact on customer loyalty. 12. Focus on customer experience. Your brand identity should align with your customers' needs and wants. Focusing on creating a positive customer experience is crucial in building brand loyalty. This includes everything from the quality of your product or service to the experience customers have when interacting with your brand. Your brand identity should convey a sense of quality and reliability, and your customer experience will deliver on those promises. 13. Listen to customer feedback. Listening to customer feedback is a vital part of creating and maintaining a successful brand identity. Feedback can help you understand what your customers like, what they don't like, and what changes they would like to see. This feedback can help you make necessary adjustments to your brand messaging and visual identity, ensuring that you're meeting your customers' needs and expectations. 14. Invest in brand marketing. Investing in brand marketing is a crucial part of creating a successful brand identity. Brand marketing focuses on creating brand awareness and building a positive reputation for your brand. This can include social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and even traditional advertising. By investing in brand marketing, you can increase brand recognition, generate leads, and build customer loyalty.